Hello. So today I'm quickly going to explain already, still, and yet. Of course, they're very similar, but I'll try my best, okay? Now, the best way I think to remember these is like this. So you're going to have already. Already is something that is done in the past. Alright? Still is something that is on in the present, right now, and yet is something that will be done in the future, but not yet. Okay? So already, still, yet. Now, a little way to remember past, present, future is you could have like already. You could have like this. Yesterday. So that's in the past. Yesterday. Okay. Still present. You could use today. Look at that. Today. And for yet, the future, you could have this. You could have tomorrow. Oh yeah. Right. So there's three things. So already, still, yet, past, present, future, yesterday, today, tomorrow. Alright? Now let me give you an example of a sentence, and you can use three examples of the same thing. So the question is, have you finished your homework? Question. Now excuse the shadows, Sombra, I'm sorry. Okay, so have you finished your homework? Now, we're going to go already. Already. Have you finished your homework? You say, look, it's done. It's done. It is, or it's already finished. It's already finished. Okay, done, past. Next one is still. Still. Have you finished your homework? It's not finished. It's not finished. I'm still doing it. So at the moment, right now, still doing it. Okay? And finally we have yet. Same question, have you finished your homework? You could say, I haven't started it yet, but I will. So it's something that you have yet to do. Okay, so quick recap. Already, still, yet. Use already in the past, yesterday. Use still in the present, today. Use yet in the future, tomorrow. And the question, have you finished your homework? It's done. It's already finished. Still, it's not finished. I'm still doing it. And yet, I haven't started yet, but I will. Okay? Nice and easy. Thank you. Bye-bye.